so now let's place this one over here as well. Perfect. Wonderful. Now instead of ingredient, let's call it like features or whatever. Okay, I think this text should be 100. Right. I think yeah, so far so good. We have everything, and for this one I will take help from ChatGPT that give me title for this section. Okay, so I will go back to yeah, let me just go back to Chrome and search for okay, and now into the Figma. All right, and I will go back to Chrome and paste it over here. So give me a cool title for this. All right, and let's see. Whoa, okay, now let's level up. All right, and paste this text here. So let's level up your game server experience. Okay, so we have quick setup, I will take it over here and let's copy and paste. So copy the text here. Let's apply the style guide as well. So this one is 28. Let me see if we have, I think this is fine. Okay, so I will copy the property from here and paste. Okay, so for to copy the property, command option and C, or you can even copy the property from here as well. All right, and I just paste the properties. Now for this text one, I will just go to over here and use the body text, which is 16. Yeah, 16 is fine. All right, and body text. All right, so now I'll just copy as a text. So why I'm doing just copy the text? So if I just copy, for example, just random copy, command C and paste it, it will basically paste the property as well, the colors and everything, right, which we really don't need it. All right, so we need to take care about it. So for example, if I copy this and paste it over here, it is already, the property is already applied, so it's a good thing we can even copy and paste as well. Okay, and yeah, so far so good. I will just, I think even this, how it's also good, this is perfect. Okay, so I will just make sure middle line and it take all the way. So now the spacing is auto and this one is perfect. So yeah, so for now we have created our second section as well. Okay, select both of those and give it auto layout, and now it should be 0. Wonderful. Now we have again created our second section. All right, and for this one, for the left side, I will make this, obviously I will give it auto layout to both of this, and the size from left to right should be 32. All right, and it should be top right. And now let's increase this one to all the way to over here and increase this one as well. Okay, I think this is perfect, and here we can definitely place some image or some crop maybe. So yeah, I think it's totally depend on you, and we will do it together. All right, so for the icon, let me just again, to make a make it very easy, I will use this icon here. All right, and I will increase the size to all the way over here. Delete this. All right, and for this one I will find the icon of energy, maybe energy. We have energy, spark, electricity, rocket. Let's find these online, this icon online. Okay, so let me just go to icon scout and search for here. So energy. This is the icon we needed for here. Okay, that's fine. Now let's find icon for this one as well. So helpful, hand, shaking hands, so the icon, we need to find the exact same font, same family icon here. So let's see if we can find the same family icon for here. All right, collaboration, perfect. I think this icon is perfect, but let's see if we have some fill icon for this. So explore the pic here. Nope, I think we can find it easily in our components because we have a bunch of icon. Okay, so let's see. We have money, design, email, files, location, support. So for the support, let's try, and yeah, you can see over here we have this one which we can use. Even this one is we can also use. This one we can also use. All right, let's see if we can also find another icons. Okay. All right. By the way, let's use this one. Let's use this one icon. Okay, so I selected all of those. Go back to workspace and paste those icon here. Okay, and it is very small icon, so I'll paste. Shift A to make it auto layout, and I will decrease the spacing to 16 pixel. All right, now if you can see over here what sizes we have is 74, so I will just make it with the help of scale tool. I will increase the size to 74, 72, 78. So I increase the height, and it should be the same as 78 is fine. Okay, and now I will just drag and drop here. Oops. All right, take to the left, delete this, fit. Let's copy and paste this one as well. Helpful stuff, super quick setup, and make it your own. Okay, so let's take this one here as well. Selecting this, paste here with the help of arrow icon. I will take it. Okay, and then we have helpful stuff. All right, and lastly we have this one. I think, like, since we have super quick setup, right, so it's like the graph is increasing. I think it's a very good but level of quick setup. Okay, and let's try if we have some other icon like setup, setting. Let's see if we have some other setting. I think this one is fine. This one is perfect. Okay, but one other thing is we can use is, since everything is so bold, we can use the line one. All right, so let's use the line one. It should be line. Bold, outline. All right, it should be bold and it should be outline. Perfect. Now we have level of your game experience, and boom, perfect. Now this section is created, and I think instead of this, it's like, it will definitely increase the, the more of the landing page size. So I will just duplicate it over here. This is very, very important for A/B testing, and it will also help client to understand which design he really like. Okay, so instead of this, I will make it left to right, and boom, perfect. Now I will decrease the spacing. Okay, so instead of doing it manually, I will select all of those, and instead of hug, fill container. Okay, so now it's very easy. We have the another one as well. Okay, this is 1600 by 1600, and let's see. Perfect. 1600 and 1600. All right, so now let me just select both of those and make it auto layout. All right, so, and we will decrease the space to 0. So this is version 2 and version 1. Okay, so this is the home page. All right, home page and home page. Now we are done with the second section as well. Super duper. And now let's create the third section, which is the testimonial. But for the testimonial, I really think we will take that to maybe after this one. But for some reason, I don't know why client put that. Maybe they got the feedbacks from the user, and maybe they prioritize this testimonial. So I think let's keep it over here for now. Okay, and if you can see over here, we have the testimonial is like this one, and I hope we will have something in our inspiration. So let's see where we have where is our inspiration for this one. Okay, this is exactly the same testimonial over there, and we can take the idea from here. But let me see if we have. So in this testimonial, these are basically we have 4 of them, and in our inspiration we have just 1. So I think we can take this one and take it to over here. All right, so this is product testimonial, and for this one I think we should put some images. So we have images over here. I will put these images, copy these images. Okay, so now I'm just copying this entire component. Okay, so I'm copying it and I will paste it over here. So again, just note this one, that for the component that we are creating over here, we need to make sure we take it to the left side, or we will give it a section, so it is very, very easy for us. okay? It will then not be disappearing. So I will take this all the way toward here, okay, and perfect. All right, now for this, for testimonial, we need image and then 5-star rating, of course, and then we have the name and arrows, okay, left right arrows. So I will take maybe this image, or this is fine, okay? I will take this one, perfect, and paste it over here. Delete this, paste the image here, align to the left, okay, and decrease the size. I will give it maybe 24 pixel roundness here, okay, to at least match with the you know, like the inspiration. All right, now for this one I will do one thing is first thing first, we will need to make it 32 pixel. All right, and then this one and this one should be 24 pixel or something. Let's give it 32 as well. And this one we need to be give it maybe a title or something. So this one is I think this is fine, but instead of this bold, we will give it a regular. Regular is not that much. We can also flash grotesque display. Let's see how good this font is. I think this font is also amazing, but they are the same. Okay, so I think this is fine. Let me see if the font is changed or not. This is the same font and this is fine, but what we can see over here, we have this. All right, this detail, I will copy it and paste it over here. Needed to add, of course, the commas, inverted commas here, and this one should be fill container, okay. And all right, perfect. Now we also need to take this name of the customer. I'll copy this, paste it here, and it should be all right. For this one, I will take the properties from let's try and do this. So it should be 20 pixel, yes, and the subtext should be like this, okay, so verified customer, but I will need it to make it like this. All right, perfect. Make it auto layout and paste it over here, and instead of this black color, this white color, we will make it black, so at least we are able to see this. This should be black. All right, perfect. Now we don't need, so delete this, okay. And then we have product testimonial. I think we should keep it or not, but what, okay. And so instead of this, we will put stars, okay. So for stars, let me see if we can take stars from here. We spent a lot of time on finding the star, and we have the stars. Wow, it was good. It was good, by the way. And for the stars, I will make it like this. All right, and I will also need to make it component, okay. So component and paste it here. All right, so I will need to take this to all the way to the left, okay, so at least we don't forget this over here. Okay, and lastly, we need to play with the colors. So for the colors, one thing that we also needed is the arrows. So for the arrows, let me see if we have arrows somewhere in the inspirations. So let's see if we have some arrows here. Okay, all right, let me see over here. Yeah, we do have the arrows here. Okay, so let me just take it from here and to the workspace and paste it here. So this one and this one should be like this, but I need to make it auto layout as well, so this pair stay over there. Perfect. Now get rid of this. It should be fill container. Perfect. Super. All right, now we have this thing, which is the product testimonial. So I think this is perfect. I will keep this and definitely I will give it this color. Okay, now as a whole, I will make this black. I will make this color paper white. All right, and let's see if we have some colors here. So I will select this and make this white. All right, okay, cool. Now this is product testimonial. We have that much stars, and I think we can decrease the size, or instead of this I will use enter font. Okay, and it should be 30. It should be Ubuntu. All right, and instead of medium it should be regular, maybe 32 pixel, and the spacing should be -2 in it. All right, so it looks cool. Now this one should be also fill container. All right, perfect. And yeah, I think that's it. For this one I will make this is like this, and it should be, so at least one is disabled. We don't have something on the left side. All right, so yeah, I think this is good. This is really good. So we have the product testimonial, it's ready. So let's put it over here as well. Need it to be all the way to over here and here as well. Perfect, we have the product testimonial, and I think we also needed one thing, is giving it a title. All right, so we need to give a title as well. Title is important, so it will like differentiate those two sections. All right, and here if you can see over here it's fine, but we still need a title for this one. Okay, just like we have over here. If you can see over here, we have the title. Voice is our success, voice of success from our clients. Okay, so, and even they have this text, but we don't need to worry about this for now. So I'll paste the text. All right, and put it. Let's make it auto layout, and let's give it some spacing as well. So the spacing should be 24 pixel, 32 pixel. All right, now let's put this one here. Okay, all right, and let's copy and paste this text. I think this is so bold, so I will make it maybe semi bold. it should be middle align. This is perfect. This one should be also middle align, and between those two sections I will give it let's try and add maybe 82 pixel. Okay, 82 pixel, or let's try maybe increase it more to let's try 190. 90 is fine. 90 is fine. All right, so then we can add that to our area as well, and delete this. Okay, but for this section I will keep it like this, and this one I will keep it like this, so it looks simple and I like this one. Okay,